Hello. Sir, are you hearing me?
Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, please introduce
Yeah.
yourself.
Okay. Hi, everyone. So actually, it's evening here in China. Good evening for everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So I am Mohammed Latif. I'm Mohammed Latif Nazari from Afghanistan.
Okay.
So currently, I'm doing my PhD in China. I am now in Fuzhou City at the east of China.
Okay. Thanks, sir. No, I want to invite Superior Dr. Superior Ghosh.
I am Dr. Supriya Ghosh from Bangladesh.
Thanks, Doctor.
Yesterday I introduced myself. Now, sorry.
I think you have already introduced, but in previous batch, this is a new batch.
Okay. I understand. Okay, I am Dr. Supriya Ghosh from Bangladesh. I work in Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute as a senior scientist. I have finished my PhD in crop genetics and breeding from Beijing, Chinese Academy of Agricultural Science. And I am very interested about art, but
thanks, sir. But one thing, I hope you have done 3 to 4 training session in my previous batch. And what's you are feeling now?
I am talking about that. I am very interested about art, but still now I see many YouTube videos, but I feel very tough and very difficult for me. But your class is really interesting and it is amazing, and I am clear, 100% clear, and everything is okay still now for me.
Thank you, Dr. Spear, for your kind review and comments. Thanks.
Thank you.
No, I want
I
Yes.
requested everyone to do the demo class, and if you do his demo class, I am sure you will be also impressed by his teaching style. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thanks. No, I want to invite Zahirul Islam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum Assalam.
I'm Muhammad Zahirul Islam. I am from Bangladesh. Right now, I am pursuing my master degree from Northeast Forestry University, China. At present, I am in my home country. I joined the course to learn like I don't know how to analyze data or interpret it. I think joining this course, I will get a proper guideline.
Inshallah, sir, you will be satisfied and get lot of things from this course because it is from very basic to advanced course. So at first day we will start from how to install and then how to read and write code, and then we move to advanced analysis.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir, thanks. And I am waiting for just other participant, but I think no one is going to turn on Skype, sorry, Zoom. So let's start. All participant, please open RStudio. Sorry, very sorry, you are from basic. Open Google Chrome. First, we need to install these packages, and after installation, then I will introduce these two packages and their role in science and other field. So first we need to install this package, and while it is is installing, we will discuss on other things. So open Google Chrome, type here R crane. All participants, please open R crane. Within R crane, you find here a comprehensive R archive network. It is a website. You can say it is a storehouse of R, where you can find each and everything of R. So it is the spare part house of R. So click on this comprehensive R archive network. No, if you are using Linux, you need to install for Linux. If you are using for Mac, you need to install for Mac OS. And if you are using Windows, you need to install R for Windows. So click it on R for Windows. If you are using Mac, you need to click on Mac button. And after Mac, you will need to download this version according to your requirement. So here is the latest version 4.3.2 and 4.3.2 46 package and 48. So it depend on your Mac. Depending on your Mac operating system, install R from here. So if we have window, we need to click on R for window. Click on it. Open install R for first time. Click on it. After clicking on it, open download R 4.3.2 for window. So click on it. Now your download is ready. Just click on download button and start download. It is about 76 MB file. So it take 1 to 5 minutes. In my case, it is showing 1 minute. So please all participants download it. And when you have done, please let me know or type done within chat. So I am waiting for your reply. When you have done this step, type done within chat. I am waiting for your reply. When you type done, then I will move to next step. Okay. No issues, Ayrul Islam. You can get a video after this class and you will do practice by watching this video. Okay, now I have download this package. Now I need to open it. It will take some time because I already have this package, so it will be very difficult to install it again. So I just show you different steps which are necessary for installation. Okay, the first step, it will show that do you want to take change to your devices? Type yes. No, it is asking about language, so select English, type OK. No, it is asking you about read license and press next button. No, it is asking about your location where you want to install it. So I already have installed this. You just need to click on next button. So it's showing me already exist. Would you like to install to the folder of anywhere? So I don't want to install it. I click no, but when you press next button, the installation will be start. Okay, now we need another package name RStudio. So all participant, please open RStudio within Google Chrome. Type RStudio, RStudio download, and search it. No, click on first website, that is Poised. It is official website for RStudio. So click on RStudio desktop. And scroll it down. You get two icon. One is install R and second is install RStudio. Install R and install RStudio. So here we need to just install RStudio because we already download RStudio and its latest version is 4.3.2. But in this website, there is oldest version, that is 3.3.0, but we need 4.3.2. So we just need to here install RStudio because RStudio is our latest version is here. It is released on 10 January 2024. So click download RStudio desktop for window. Click on it. No. Now you need to download this again. Download it and start downloading. When you download this this package or this tool, this software, you need to install it within your computer. So similar step, double click on this package RStudio, it will start working. Now, when you have installed these both packages, one is R and second is RStudio. So you get the icon of R on desktop like this, R 4.3.2. Click on it. This is the interface of RStudio. Sorry, R programming. This is the R programming. So open the interface of R programming. Okay. Now it is very difficult for us to work on this instrument, this package, because there is no specific headings for analysis, how we import file, where we draw graph. It is our language, and mostly programmer, developer work on it. But we need work on our programming, so we used RStudio instead of R. So to open RStudio, you need to come on a screen window or search bar option. Here is a search bar option. Click on it. You get a search bar. Type here R. When you just type here R, it show you RStudio app. Click on RStudio app. Click on RStudio app. When you click on it, its app will be opened, and it's look like this. Now we have two apps. One is R and second is RStudio. So the question maybe arise in your mind, which tool we will be used for data analysis. Like I show you. Okay, now we have two tools. One is R and second is RStudio. So a question will be arise in your mind, which package or which tool we are going to start for data analysis, R or RStudio? My answer is we are going to start both packages, both tools for data analysis. So, but we work on just RStudio, not on R. We need to just install it at once, and no need to open it. We just open RStudio and work on it RStudio. So what is the difference between the R and RStudio? If you have seen any car like this is a tire, and here is just engine, handle, and one seat, and there is no its body. And another car, here is the just body, but no engine. There is no engine in this car, but this car have no body and this car have no engine. My question is that if I ask you, please run car A, is it possible to drive it? Or I ask you, please run car B, is it possible to drive? So which one car is possible to drive? Any participant, please? A, because A have a engine. But if I take this body on this engine, And now it look like this with engine. Here is engine is okay, and no. Now we can draw this car, but this provides us comfort and protect us from other environmental factors, heat, cold, air. Similarly, R is an engine of car and RStudio is a body of car. R is the engine of car, RStudio is a body of car. You can run R without RStudio. You can run R without RStudio, but you can't run RStudio without R. So to run RStudio, to run body of this car, you need engine. So R is the engine and RStudio is the body. Hope you will get what I want to tell you. Please let me know. Is it clear? Okay. Now I move to next step. So we don't need to open R. We just work on RStudio. In your screen, you can see 4 screens in R. But in your case, when you install R, you get 3 screens. Your screens will be appear like this. Screen number 1. I am going to clear these all. So your screen look like this. Now, when you install your RStudio and open RStudio, okay, and open RStudio, you will get 3 screens like this. 2 screens on right sides and 1 is on left side. So just click on this minimize and maximize button. When you click on maximize button, you will get 4 screens. So this is a screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, and screen number 4. Screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, and screen number 4. So as you know, R is a language. R is a language, and each and every language have its vocabulary. So I type here hashtag hashtag is a vocabulary word of R programming, R language. It's mean heading. It's mean heading. When I want to write any heading within by using R or RStudio, I need to draw hashtag button. It shows that this line is heading. But when you type any line without heading, it show it is a quote. So when you need to write heading, must type hashtag before your word or your heading. Okay. Now I am going to explain more about these 4 screens. These screens numbers are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So screen number 1, screen number 2, screen number 3, and screen number 4. Similarly, they have a specific name. Screen number 1 have name script file. Screen number 2 have name console. Screen number 3 have name global environment. Screen number 4 have name packages or plot. So this is a screen number 1 where I am typing these name. It is a screen number 1. It is also known as script file. Script file. Second is console. Here is a console. This screen is a console. Third is global environment. This screen is a global environment and showing here is a global environment. Environment is empty. It's showing that there is no task in this window. Fourth is packages. You can see here is a packages and plot. So screen number 1, script file. Screen number 2, console. Screen number 3, global environment. Screen number 4, plots. It's clear? Okay. Now we move to next step. They are working. These are the introduction of screen number 1, 2, 3, and 4. No. What screen 1 can do? We can write a script or code or command on screen number 1. Write script. On screen number 2. Screen number 2 give us results. Screen number 3 show our data. It may be Excel file, CSV file, or any other format. Screen number 4 have packages and show plots of our data. So if you have any question, please you can ask. If no question, then I will move to next step. Okay, I am going to move next step. Next step is working directory. I'm going to heading here is working directory. What is working directory? Working directory is similar like when you are working in your lab. And your supervisor give you a key and ask to you, this cabin is your, please bring or take or place all your instruments, all your chemicals in this box or in this cabin. No, this K1 is a working directory. But in the case of computer, we say this working directory is folder. And similarly, in the case of R, we can say this is a working directory. In your lab, your K1 is working directory. In your laptop, folder is working directory. Okay, no, in the case of R, we give working directory is a working directory. So how we create a working directory? Similarly, when you create a folder with window, in window, right click and create a new folder. Similarly, here we need to create a working directory. So our all data will be saved in this working directory. So open to create a working directory. So our next top, what is working directory? And how to create working directory. So to create a working directory in R, we need to come on screen number 3 at the top corner of the screen number 3 at very right sides. You can find here, in my case, it is a micro array because I have already created a K1 folder working directory, a micro array with name micro array. But in your case, it may be new working directory or any other. But you need to type here, click here, arrow button, on arrow button, click on arrow button. You will get an a list showing first is new project, open project, close project, but we need to find here new project. So I am going to create a new directory, just click new project. No, he is asking me want to save. So I want to save this previous work. So click on save button. No, new project, type name. For example, I am typing here for the 4 batch, 24 batch, and select place where you want to save. I want to save its desktop and create project. No. After creating new project, our RStudio will be from very zero, and you can see it show me 3 screens. When you open your RStudio, it show you 3 screens. Don't worry, you just need to click on this maximize button. It will show you 4 screens. So now you can see on batch 24. It is a working directory. So please, if you have any question, please let me know. And if you have any question, please, you can ask. Because it is our first day and only just 3 participants have joined. It is also a demo class, so I am not going ahead, just very slow because Zahirul Islam don't have laptop now, and other participants are also just watching this video. So you need to do practice on it. So I want to stop this video lecture today, and now our next class will be next day. So we will move to next step on next day. So our 4 classes will be very slow, and after 4 classes we will move forward very fast. Okay, it's right. Have you got it? And Zahirul Islam, kindly let me know, can you speak Urdu? Zahirul Islam, can you speak Urdu? Okay, no. Okay. Now I want to close this class so that all participants are available in our next class. So we will move to next step. Okay, thanks. Allah Hafiz. And please also give your comments and review about today class in group. So which you face or which you your experience about today class, all share in group.